In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Sharex. Sharex is a powerful free screen capture and file sharing tool for Windows that makes taking screenshots, recording your screen, and uploading files incredibly simple. By the end of this video, you'll have it installed and ready to use. First, head to the official Sharex website and navigate to the Downloads section. Using the official site is important to ensure you're getting the latest, safe version with no unwanted extras. On the Downloads page, look for the most recent installer file. It will be named something like Sharex XYZ Setup.exe, where the numbers represent the version. Click to download it and let your browser save the file, typically to your Downloads folder. Once the download has finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file to run it. If Windows asks for permission or shows a smart screen prompt, confirm that you got the file from the official Sharex website, then proceed. This is a normal security check. You may be prompted for administrator approval. Just allow it to continue. The setup wizard will open. Start by reviewing the license agreement. You'll need to accept it to move forward. Next, you'll be asked where to install Sharex. The default location works perfectly for most people, so feel free to keep it unless you have a specific drive or folder in mind. During setup, you'll see options for additional tasks. These might include creating a desktop shortcut, adding context menu entries so you can right-click files and upload them with Sharex, or enabling the app to start automatically with Windows. Choose what fits your workflow. A desktop shortcut is convenient, the context menu is great if you plan to upload files often, and Auto Start is helpful only if you want Sharex running in the background all the time. When you're ready, click Install to begin. The process is usually quick, and you'll see a progress bar while files are copied. When it's done, click Finish. Sharex should launch immediately after the installer closes. If it doesn't, you can open it from the Start menu. On first launch, you'll see the main Sharex window with Capture, Upload, and Workflow tools. This means the installation worked. A quick tip: consider pinning Sharex to your taskbar for easy access. If you chose the context menu option, try right-clicking a file to see the new Sharex actions. That's it. You've downloaded the installer, run it, accepted the license, chosen your installation options, and completed the setup. You're now ready to start capturing and sharing with Sharex.